So the White House, the United States government, is going to get involved in crypto in one way, shape, form, or fashion. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay. I'm here just trying to help you navigate these waters, and I've got a really good piece of content here that I want to show you. There's some aspects of this that is not bad, guys. I will tell you that. So up front, I'm going to tell you, I think that there's really three fronts that the White House and that the United States government is looking as it relates to crypto. Number one, it is stable coins. I do believe that they are going to do something as it relates to stable coins. That's going to happen. Okay, stable coins are a threat to the banking industry, et cetera, and all that kind of stuff. We've talked about that in previous videos. I think that's number one. Number two, the government is going to look to tax crypto profits. It's going to happen. Okay, just like they tax profits in like stocks and things like that. And number three, I firmly believe that they are looking to enact some type of legislation to protect consumers from like rug pulls and kind of that side of the crypto world, which I applaud that side. Okay, they were always going to get in and tax profits. That was going to happen. Okay, so again, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just letting you know. All right, so let's real quickly run through this. And by the way, there's an executive order coming in February that is coming from the White House. That is going to happen as well. Okay, so if you look at kind of how all this is shaking out, the overall executive order and what the Biden presidency and the White House is looking to do is that they are looking to task federal agencies to task them with assessing kind of the risk and opportunities that crypto poses. And that's really kind of what this is. But also, guys, what this is also the acknowledgement from the U.S. government that crypto is a real and viable economic sector, and it can really no longer be ignored. They've kind of ignored crypto for the most part, well, up until now, okay? And so it is kind of a signal that we've arrived in the crypto market. Now, for those of you, some of you guys may be like, well, I wish they didn't acknowledge that we had arrived. Well, I agree, but it's happening, and this was always heading at us, right? Okay, so it's also so basically what they're also trying to do is review the impact of digital assets on financial stability and normalizing regulations for crypto with other countries. And so they're also looking at how the regulations would work with other countries across the globe and things of that nature. So remember I mentioned to you stablecoins. Last fall, the Biden administration released recommendations proposing that only banks be allowed to issue stablecoins. Again, banks view stablecoins as a threat to their business and things like that. I've talked about that in previous videos. Remember, that was the first thing I said. I think that some of the regulation will focus around stablecoins. Okay, this is a little bit positive news right here. Senator Loomis, one of Bitcoin's most vocal advocates on Capitol Hill, is expected to introduce a bill on regulating crypto that aims to fully integrate digital assets into the financial system. Keyword being integrate. Okay, that's a good thing. All right, her legislation would give guidance on which assets belong in which asset class and offer up new rules on taxing crypto and protecting consumers. Again, everything I've already said. We always knew that they were going to tax cryptos, and they have this very strong charge now that they're looking to protect consumers, and I applaud that. I think it's a good thing. Okay. This is also they're also looking at reveal who would be considered a crypto broker under the infrastructure bill Congress passed last year. This will include how to report any capital gains or losses to the IRS. All right, again, like I've already mentioned, that's something that I think that is they're looking to do that as well. Again, the taxation things. Okay. A few final thoughts. Janet Seiberg, an analyst at Cohen, basically says that this move by the administration is, quote, symbolically significant, as the White House would be acknowledging that crypto is becoming economically important. She added that it reinforces the idea that crypto is here to stay, and, quote, the White House would not issue such an order if it was not convinced that crypto will continue to grow and spread throughout the economy, he added. Okay. that's really where I want to leave off. There is some more here talking about the digital dollar and things of that nature, but I want to leave you with this thought. I want to leave you with the fact that crypto has arrived and will continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger. If you look at the overall market cap of crypto right now at 1.73 trillion, it sounds like a really big number. It's really not. I think that in 5 to 6, 7 years, that number will be 10 to 12, 15 trillion or whatever. I mean, it will be bigger. Let's call it that. 10 trillion is definitely not out of the realm of possibility. And you also factor in that crypto is definitely not mainstream yet. Okay, you right here, right now, watching this video, you are early. You are definitely early into this, and it's going to get even bigger. It's going to get even more mainstream. So the fact that the government is stepping in was something that was bound to happen. However you feel about that, most of us don't like that. I understand that, but this is simply something that is going to happen. And so I'm just trying to give you some insight that this executive order is coming, and that. We have to see how it all shakes out. That's what I got for you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good one. Take it easy. Bye.